morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever in the world you are. Hi, my name is Adam and welcome to my channel. I just wanted to quickly show you this 1981 Hilux pickup that I just picked up. I've been trying to get it for a while, finally got it. It came with a 2J GE, but that has been taken, and I'm going to try and look for a 22R or a 20R or even an 18R to stick back into it and get it all running again. But anyways, with further ado, we'll get straight into looking at the Hilux. So here we are. This one is factory disc brake. Can't really see too much, which is a bonus. There's a few little imperfections. It's been resprayed at some point. Yeah, it's got a little bit of rust in the door down the bottom. That's okay. I am going to fix that and just take some molds of this door because my driver's one on my white one isn't as good. It isn't in as good condition as this one is. I think the bonnet is straighter than my white one, but there is a little bit of rust here in the corner, which is all good. Oh, the grill is somewhere. It should be, oh yeah, it's actually in the truck itself. So the interior is a bit of a mess. That's okay. The blue one that I've had for years, the one that sat in storage, yeah, I'll be able to pull anything off that one and put it into this one, so that's okay. You can see that there is a looks like it might be like a Walbro, like an inline fuel pump, and the fuel filter over there. So all the wiring's kind of set up for that. It's got this pretty rigid, like mild steel flat deck tray on the back. So I've just started pulling the lights off and the water spray bottle for that. So that's all ready to come off, and I'm going to take that down to the scrap metal yard and get rid of it, and we'll build another flat deck, an aluminium one like my white one, or even we could even put that one off that onto this. Yeah, there is a few little bits of like a little bit of a dent here. It looks quite fresh, so we'll have to panel beat that straight, which is all good because that panel you can access from the inside there. That door's reasonably straight. It doesn't look like there's any rust, which I'm pretty sure there would be rust in it, and there's a little bit of panel beating that's going to need to be done there. Oh, and also just seen that the sway bar mount is missing its bolts, so we should probably put those on at some point. But yeah, came on these wheels. That guard needs to be replaced. Not too phased about that. We can still buy them new. And I do have some fiberglass ones in the garage. So yeah, that's what we've got to play with at the moment. Yeah, the reason why I bought it was because these doors and because of the bench seat. It's going to come in handy when I go to register my one. So this one hasn't been registered since 2017. But it's pretty straight and there's not as much rust. This is probably the least rustiest one that I've had so far, but that's only because it's been repainted and might have been panel beaded. But yeah, so that's the only repair that's probably going to need to be addressed pretty shortly, and the hole in the roof. So yeah, we'll whip the windscreen out and get all that stuff done. But yeah, it's just a quick video of the next project. That's all we got for today, so just a quick video. Anyways, don't forget to leave us a comment, like and subscribe. Peace.